Welcome everybody. Today we're going to be using the Ninja Foodi Grill to make green beans. I know you're thinking boring, whatever, this, that, the other thing. Green beans are not boring. Somebody used this on the Facebook group and I said, ooh, I have to find these at the supermarket. So I did. It's Urban Accents. It's balsamic and roasted onion veggie roaster seasoning blend. This is about $3.50, but there's 3 packets in here, so it's a little over $1 a packet. And you usually use 1 pound of veg, whether it's the Brussels sprouts that they recommend. I decided to use green beans because that's what I have in the house. So we're going to take one of these packets, right here, mix it with a little olive oil, and then coat those green beans. It also calls for butter. Yeah, we're not going to add the butter. We're just going to use straight olive oil. We're going to make this so simple and so easy. Will butter probably make it taste better? Yes, definitely. But we're going to go ahead and just add the olive oil to one of these seasoning packets and a pound of green beans. Now this actually calls for 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. That seems like an awful lot. So we're going to see how much we can get away with, the least amount of oil, with the flavoring packet, and make these green beans. Come on over and let's make these delicious green beans with this lovely seasoning packet. So you want to make sure your roasting pan is in. We're using the air crisp basket and the mesh screen is in. We're going to go ahead and lower the lid. Now the back of the package states preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Let's stick with the 350 and see what happens. We're going to go turn it on and let's hit roast. Turn it down to 350. Let's check our time. I'm going to go ahead and put it on 20 minutes just so we can preheat and hit start. Let's get those green beans ready for the grill. So instead of dirtying another bowl to mix the seasoning packet, I think what I'm going to do is just pour in. We're just going to do a guesstimate. You can go ahead and measure. We're going to say that's about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use whatever oil that you want. Avocado oil, doesn't really make a difference. I'm going to take that packet, put it right in there. I do want to smell it. Ooh, that smells really good. And I'm just going to lean this and we're just going to whisk this together. This is kind of a thick paste. Let's take that pound of green beans, place it right in that bowl. And we use a pair of tongs, or you can use your hands. And we're going to coat these green beans with that seasoning. Probably your hands would be better. That's what I'm going to switch to. Let's roll up our sleeves. Let's get in there. Oh yeah. I think we can probably get away with the 2 tablespoons of oil. If you want to go ahead and add the 3 tablespoons, by all means, go ahead. Let me just pick that seasoning up. I want these green beans coated really well. I'm going to go wash my hands. The Ninja Foodi Grill is ready for the green beans. Just going to take that bowl. I'm going to pour them right in there. Oh yeah. Woo. Go ahead and close it. Oh, make sure you don't get that one in there. Go ahead and lower the lid. So once again, just to reiterate, we're at 350 degrees. I'm going to lower the time down to 15 minutes just so I can do easy math. So they've been cooking for around 5 minutes. I do want to go in here and turn them. Yeah, these green beans are going to be amazing. I am going to take one out just to taste test it, just to see where we are at. Let me grab 2. Close the lid. So they've been cooking for 8 minutes. Let's pop the top, see what they look like. I'm going to take one out because I do not want to overcook these. Perfect for me. Open the lid. They're done. They look really good. Look at these. Nice roasted green. Whoops. I just got them all over the counter. And I'm going to take these out. And we're going to do a taste test of these green beans. Here's the final product. Beautiful green beans. These cooked at 300 on the roast setting for 8 minutes. So I would probably do anywhere between 7 and 8 minutes. Now the first time I tried them, when they weren't cooked enough, or maybe the seasoning wasn't out there enough. I was like, oh, I don't know about the seasoning. But now, after they're fully cooked, the seasoning is really good. Yes, it's another foundation video. We've made potatoes in the Ninja Foodi Grill. Now we've made green beans in the Ninja Foodi Grill. And I did chicken thighs in the Ninja Foodi Grill. But I don't think I put that video out. That's right, I lost it. I lost like 5 videos. So I'm going to have to get some chicken thighs as well as breast. So we can get those times down. Well, I know the times. So we can get those times down, and then what we can do, you put it all together. Whatever takes the longest, you start first. But the green beans are 7-8 minutes. That's going to be your final one to put in. The potatoes, depending on how you want them and how large they are, they usually go in second. Chicken breasts are a different story. They cook a little bit quicker, but once again, the size, how am I supposed to put this? It's the thickness of the chicken breast that determines how long it's going to take to cook. Also, if you're doing chicken thighs, I know exactly how long those take. And I'd probably throw the chicken thighs in first, maybe for a few minutes, then add the potatoes, and then add the green beans. Perfect meal. You're not going to be able to put a lot in there, but you can get at least a meal for 2 by combining everything. If you're feeding a family, you may have to make the chicken ahead of time and then start the potatoes and then finish up with the green beans. Just keep the chicken thighs warm or the chicken breast warm. Once again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, hit that notifications button, and join us over on the Facebook group page. Come on over. We're having lots of fun over there. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate all my viewers.